When fitting your PVC ground sheet into your Camplet, there's a couple of little steps to follow to make it a bit easier. In each corner of the PVC ground sheet, you have got the reinforcement in the corners to make it into the bucket ground sheet. And on the front corners, on the left-hand side and the right-hand side, you have an eyelet inside the PVC carpet. And again, on the main unit, you have got the torpedo toggle. And that is designed to go through the eyelet. On the two corners. And what that'll do, that'll just stop that ground sheet, or the PVC ground sheet, from moving whilst you're fitting the rest of it. Then you can go around, attach it with the Velcro all the way around the Camplet. And then you're ready to fit your other carpet over the top to keep it all nice and neat.